Hi, my name's Tom Brame. I'm the user researcher on the digital planning project. As a user researcher, my role is usually to go out and speak to people who are users of services to try and understand their experience of using that service, to see whether it's meeting their needs and to help identify opportunities for improvement. So my role on the project has been to speak to users, so members of the public who want to have some work done on their house and need to use planning services, to understand what their experience has been and to try and identify any particular areas that they struggled with. But we've also spoken to members of planning teams, and we did that to try and understand the impact on them when the user has an issue, what the business needs are, and to try and find areas that we can help them improve the service. One of the project highlights for me has been the opportunity to work in person with some of the planning authorities we're working with. So we're working with an authority in North Wales and two in South Wales, and we've made trips to visit each one of their offices to try and understand their context and to try and really understand the issues that they face. This has been really insightful for us, and it's really helped us maintain a relationship with those planning authorities and try and get them to work with us throughout the planning project. One of the biggest challenges I faced is a challenge I face regularly as a user researcher, and that's participant recruitment. We're trying to recruit people who have experience of local authority planning services, and that's quite a niche subsection. So we've struggled a little with that. In efforts to try and counter that, we've tried to make our recruitment communications travel as far and wide as possible, and that has helped to some extent. But we're always looking to recruit more people, and if you might be interested, then please drop us an email at user.research@digitalpublicservices.gov.wales. As well as speaking to members of the public and to planning authority staff, I've been testing out a prototype that we developed as part of this project. This is a prototype web page and application form that we've developed using all the insight we've collected through our conversations, and our testing rounds are to try and refine this and make it as usable as possible. And the next steps are to perhaps conduct one more round of testing, and then hopefully we'll be able to develop a finished product that we'll be able to share with planning authorities and encourage them to use on their websites as something that's been tested out on users as an improved user application experience.